ever since a number one.
This college football forecast was brought to you by the Capital One Venture Card. What's in your wallet?
With the Capital One Venture Card, we get double miles on every purchase. So we earned a holiday trip to the Big Apple twice as fast. We get double miles every time we use our card. And since double miles add up fast, we can bring the whole gang. It's hard to beat double miles.
I want a mace, a sword, ow.
Get the Venture Card from Capital One and earn double miles on every purchase every day. Go to CapitalOne.com.
I wonder what it can be.
What's in your wallet?
The Tassimo Brew Bot. 7 different beverages, one smart little bot.
Stay tuned for your Local on the 8s, brought to you by LL Bean. This holiday season, enjoy free shipping with no minimum order.
Give a gift from LL Bean, and it's guaranteed to stand up to anything. No fine print, no ifs, ands, or buts. We didn't invent the 100% satisfaction guarantee. We simply removed the asterisk. And now until December 20th, we've also removed the asterisk from free shipping. We made it easy, with no secret codes and no minimum order.
On TV, on your computer, on your phone, the source for weather, the Weather Channel. Now you're local on the 8s.
Well, good morning. Big storm potential in the east. Looks like that's going by the wayside, but bigger problems out toward the west. Good Saturday morning. I'm meteorologist Ray Stajic.
And I'm meteorologist Alex Wallace. This indeed we were talking about and thinking about a potential big system impacting a good chunk of the northeast.
Right.
We can breathe a sigh of relief. At least right now, it doesn't look like it's going to happen.
Well, don't give it all away. We got to keep them here, right? No, we're going to monitor that storm as it doesn't look like it's going to be. So let's go to the city of brotherly love. Is that what they call Philadelphia? That's where we are here early this morning. Nice morning there, Alex, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Enjoying it. You can see the lights there shining off of the water. Not a bad morning. It should be a pretty good afternoon, right, Ray?
Yeah, it should be. As we said, we do have a near miss. But let's go first where there is snow. There was snow, and it does look like there will continue to be snow. Syracuse, New York. There you go. Number one. We were counting this down in the meteorological community here. Seemed like forever. Emails flying everywhere. How close were they going to get to the all-time snowiest December? Well, now we'll start, since they've gotten number one, now we'll start going to all-time snowiest month, and they're creeping in on that record. But let's show you what's going on currently, and there is some lake snow out across parts of the Northeast and New England, and some of that lake snow coming downwind of Ontario. So Lake Ontario, where there are some winter weather advisories, lake effect snow advisory now for Jefferson County, I believe. I think we can show that as we flip on over and show Titan. There we go. There it is. Watertown. Lake effect snow advisory. Could be an additional couple of inches of snow. And here's the snow coming in off of Lake Ontario. As you can see, lake looking down and looking westward, right up here at Tuck Hill Plateau around Watertown. That's where the best snow is right now. It comes right across Interstate 81. So a little bit of snow in the forecast there. And we'll continue to see snow showers probably diminish as the winds weaken. So Buffalo, even around Rochester, throughway here, as you go westbound, probably run into some snow, but no advisories, just some advice maybe that you might see some light accumulations on the roads. It's plenty cold to support snow. So, you know, just because there's no advisory doesn't mean there's not going to be any problems, but minor problems indeed. And then this is what Alex and I were talking about at the top of the hour, this area of low pressure down along the Gulf that's going to try to swing north. And as that low comes on up the coast, we'll see a couple of scenarios here. One is going to be for this storm to potentially get a little closer to the coast and stay just offshore of the Carolinas as it develops. And that could bring snow into the interior here. But this eastern track, if it goes further east, as we're shown here, it means a limited impacts, maybe some snow and wind for Boston and gusts up to 50 miles per hour. But right now, it even looks like that low track is further east. Flurries maybe New York City. And this is into the Sunday, Monday time frame here with this eastern scenario. And then as we head on through the daytime hours Sunday, looks like that storm does push on off toward the east. But heavy snow could be possible with this scenario in northern parts of Maine. So gusty winds, heavy snow right now with this scenario B being the western track would be something that could bring some of that heavier snow on into parts of New England. All right, let's show you the forecast now in the Northeast, as we are going to see accumulating snow here, maybe another couple of inches around Lake Ontario and even Lake Erie. And we'll watch some of these temperatures now as they are going to stay chilly today. They'll stay in the 20s and 30s, big cities, even Buffalo 25, Alpena and Detroit staying in the mid-20s today, heading on off towards the daytime hours tomorrow. Storm should be well east, thickening clouds though. New York City 36, Boston 37, might become a little breezy here through parts of New England, but it does look like, if anything, any impacts from this storm as we go through Sunday and Monday will probably be in northern parts of New England, back toward the west. That's where we've got clouds and maybe some flurries around Detroit today. And we got 24 degrees for you. All right, let's head on down south now, talk about a little bit of precipitation.
Yeah, absolutely. And there is that area of low pressure Ray was mentioning that's going to be working its way up close to the coast of the Northeast, now here across North Florida, and that is providing us with the risk for some rain showers and even some storms as we head through the afternoon. But right now it's wet weather, parts of South Georgia into Alabama, and then a little bit farther north we were watching a disturbance move across the southern plains yesterday. That has worked its way all the way to the east, and with it, we do have a few snow showers. Looks a lot worse here on the radar than what we're actually dealing with. I can't even find any observations reporting snow in and around Nashville. So dry here at the surface that all the snow's falling and then just evaporating before it actually reaches the ground. But can't rule out a few flurries here and there moving through portions of central Tennessee. And then heading a little bit farther south, there's that rain, portions of the low country of South Carolina, all the way into North Florida. And this continues to pretty quickly work its way east. Now, we do have winter weather advisories here in and around Raleigh now. This is going to be going into effect this evening and into our Sunday. We do anticipate to see maybe a little bit of snow coming in here for us later on today, and could accumulate a couple of inches before it's all said and done. So keep that in mind here for us as we head on through our Saturday. We'll be dealing with that. So there's our area of low pressure bringing us the rain showers and storms. We'll find that places like Jacksonville down in towards Orlando. Temperatures there will be in the low 70s. Rumbles of thunder around Miami. Heading a little bit farther on off towards the west. That's where things are going to be dry. So Jackson, Mississippi enjoying 52 and sunshine back towards the Houston area. 61 degrees. Partly sunny for us, but wet as you head towards the southeast coast. Let's take you through hour by hour now, right around the Memphis area. Very early in the overnight hours, we had some snow showers, but that's gone. And for the afternoon, we've got some sunshine to enjoy, 40 degrees, and then starting to cool off from there into the mid-30s for your 6 o'clock, and then cooling off even further by the evening to that freezing mark with clear skies. Your travel forecast is next.
This is Laura. Her morning begins with arthritis pain. That's a coffee and 2 pills. The afternoon tour begins with more pain and more pills.